Hello everyone, welcome to my English class once again. Now today in this class I am going to pick up a topic from your writing section, that is section B. So in this section, writing section, I am going to pick up the topic letter writing. That is very important topic. So guys, you have to know very first that what is a letter. A letter is a form of written communication between two persons or two parties on a particular topic, matter, issue, incident, etc. It serves the purpose of documentation as well. Guys, letters are broadly classified as formal and informal. What is a formal letter? A formal letter is one that is written for official purpose. We can include in this letter to the editor, business letters, official letters, applications and social letters. Now what is informal letter? Guys, informal letters are those which you write to your parents, relatives, friends, etc. And these are casually written the way you would talk to them on phone or in person. So very first I am going to tell you that how to write a formal letter. So for this you have to apply a format, as you can see in this picture. Okay, so what is the format of formal letter? So guys, very first we will write the sender's address. As you can see, it is written in the picture, your address. Okay, your address means sender address. Who is the sender? The person who is writing the letter. Okay, so very first we write the sender address. Okay, it is usually written at the left hand corner. Okay, and the telephone number, the telegraphic address, if any, are written below the address. After that, skip one line and write the date. Okay, the date is written on the left side below the sender's address. After that, again skip one line and write the address of the receiver. Okay, each line of the address begins on the left margin. After that, again skip one line and write the subject. Okay, regarding what you are writing in your letter, so that subject will be mentioned over here. After that, the topic, the heading salutation comes. Okay, in salutations generally we write dear sir or dear ma'am. These are the most common forms. And if the person who will read the letter is known to you, you can address him by name. Okay, and after writing the salutation, you have to write the body of the letter. This part contains the actual message to be conveyed, so you have to be brief and to the point. Your letter should be clear and to the point, because otherwise you are likely to be misunderstood and might get something other than what you require. So it should be brief, because a businessman has no time to attend to unnecessary details. So that's why it should be brief and very to the point. After writing the letter, the matter, body of the letter, you will write the complimentary clause. Okay, before that you have to skip one line, then you have to write complimentary clause, that is also known as subscription. Okay, the most common forms in formal letters are yours truly and yours faithfully. Guys, here this thing you have to remember, while writing yours, do not put apostrophe. Okay, you have to write yours. Okay, yours truly or yours faithfully. This is the most common forms. And in very formal letters, such as letters to very high dignitaries, you may use yours respectfully or yours obediently. If you have used a personal name in the salutation, then the subscription should be yours sincerely without s. Okay, after writing the complimentary clause, you have to write the signature. The formal letter require your full signature. Below the signature, the name of the person and the position are written or typed. Okay, so this is the format of formal letter. Now move on the next. Informal letter. Guys, as you can see in this picture, the format of informal letter. To write a informal letter, very first we write the address of the sender's address. Okay, it includes the writer's address, जो first heading होता है ना, and that the date on which the letter is written, and after that the salutation. Okay, and after writing the here the salutation is the complimentary little greeting to the person to whom the letter is addressed. It is formal way of beginning a letter. The form of greeting or salutation depends on the relation and the degree of intimacy between the writer and the addressee. After that we will write the body of the letter, that can be divided into three parts. That is the first opening paragraph. Okay, introduction, an introduction which gives the reason for the letter, why you are writing the letter, and the second main body, that is the main message which you want to convey to the particular person. Okay, and after that the concluding paragraph, a conclusion which always contains a polite wish. It should be well arranged and divided into separate paragraphs unless it is very short. Okay, after that you have to write complimentary close. Okay, and for that you can use here yours sincerely, yours very sincerely, like that. And after this you will write signature and your name. So this is the format of informal letter. Okay, and guys, now here I am sharing a picture. In that you can see the forms of salutations and subscriptions. Okay guys, go through with this chart so things will be more clear, and I hope that both the formats are clear to you.